So this is the first job link that we have, which is in volume research. Okay, so they are looking for paid interns, right? They are looking for paid interns. This is for freshers. This is freshers friendly job, and they want cybersecurity research interns. So you'll be having a couple of questions. You'll be having a couple of topics on which you need to research. And second thing is for the developers. Okay, so they are looking for two roles, which is paid for your front end UI development intern. Okay, which is for the Angular JS. Okay, so you're developer. If you are developer, you know about this thing. So this is a 3 month internship program. Okay, it can be extendable if they found you are good enough, if you're capable, and it's a fresher friendly, so anyone can join. And so if you're going to complete your final year, you might join or something. Mail ID is prasenjit@volumeresearch.com. So let's see you there if you get selected. So you can apply on this mail ID. Okay, right. On this resume, you might get selected because it's a freshers friendly. Next one. So guys, ISRO was looking for some sort of interns couple of days back. Okay, so there were few peoples, those who were asking, sir, date has been gone, now what to do? So guys, they have extended a date. So they are accepting applications till 19th March 2025. Okay, so I don't know for exactly for what position they are looking for. So this is the URL. Just check it out and let me know if you get selected or something. Next one is someone is looking for network administration. This is again freshers friendly job. Okay, again ISRO wala be freshers friendly, so you can do it for as well. This is again freshers friendly, right? Network administrator is the role, that's what they are looking for. BS or MS is the education that is being recommended. BTech, BSc, I guess वो भी चलेगा. Minimum 1 years of experience is required, which is quite for the freshers. And careers.i2cinc.com is the mail ID, on which is the website URL where you can check out for this role. Next is hiring partner. I guess this is a agency who is hired some sort of people. So you can look for cybersecurity engineer. Okay, I guess 1 year of experience is required here. This is a mail ID, jobs at the hiringpartner.com on which. Next is I App Secure Solution Private Limited, looking for cybersecurity analyst, which is in Ahmedabad, guys. This is for the VAPT, right, which is in Android web. So guys, they are looking from a very long time. Okay, so there might be some sort of opening. So just keep applying for this position. Okay, they are looking for someone with a good knowledge of web application pen testing or mobile application pen testing. So just apply it out, right? And there are a couple of responsibilities you need to do. You need to conduct VAPT for mobile app, source code review, sometime network pen testing. You need to communicate with client as well. You need to create document, which is the essential role of VAPT, guys, in the last, which is called the security report. There are a couple of things which is required. OAS SANS knowledge is important. SANS security standard. Okay, hands-on experience, which is also important. So manual testing, right? And there are a couple of more things. Minimum 1 year of experience is required. So again, it's a freshers friendly job as well for the experienced people. And if you have knowledge, that's well and good. Just apply on this URL, mail ID, jobs at iappsecure.com. And if you don't have knowledge, just check out this URL, viehgroup.com slash TCI, viehgroup.com slash TCI. You can see on the right top as well here. So you can check out this URL if you want to learn about web application testing. Anyways, next one, security associate trainer, L1 associate analyst is the position. That's what someone is looking for. Again, this is a freshers friendly job, right? Freshers can apply. Okay, and just look it out. There's a lot of things which is written. So this is for L1. Okay, L1 associate trainer, trainee or associate analyst. Okay, was top 10, Kalian X, Elastic Security, CTI, all those important knowledge is important required. So ये देख लो एक बार. Okay, and this is a mail ID, sunil.kumar1@grazity.com. That's all, guys. Now you can ask your query. Thank you.